I am going to be making a Valentine clock. You will need a round plywood sign from Dollar Tree to start off with. You can paint the round sign whatever color you would like, but I went with white for a better result for the clock. You're going to use different color foam heart stickers for the clock. Glue the foam stickers onto the round sign. You're going to use the foam heart stickers that have the numbers that you glued on earlier and place them around the sign. Take your 12 and place it on top. Take your 3, place it in the middle to the right. Take your 6, place it on the bottom across from the 12 and place your 9 to the middle left across from the 3. You're going to use different color small foam hearts that you will add a diamond wrap onto the middle of the heart. Grab the small hearts with the diamond wrap and glue them down between the numbers. Grab your craft knife and make a small hole in the center of the clock. You're going to add a small wood heart that is already painted in the center where you made the small hole with your craft knife. Before you do this, grab your craft knife and make the same size hole in the small wood heart. Cut off a small piece of a skewer stick that you are going to use to be placed in the holes that you made on the clock and on the heart. Place the skewer stick in the holes and make sure that it is secure. You can add some hot glue in the holes if you would like to keep it in place. Now you're going to add 2 arrows that will create the hands for the clock. Before adding the arrows, make sure to use your craft knife and make the same small holes like before. Then place the arrows on top of the small heart. Grab some lettering stickers that you can get from Dollar Tree in the color red. You can use these stickers or you can use whatever stickers you have to create this saying, "My love for you is timeless," that will be placed on the clock. Found these small gold heart stickers at Dollar Tree that would go good on the clock. Place the gold hearts around the phrase or wherever you would like. Use some Mod Podge on the letters so they can stay in place and not fall off the clock. Here is the completed Valentine clock all finished.